Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how I installed this 24-inch deep wave hair from Ali Pearl. I did do a video on how I bleached and plucked my knots, so let's just get into the video and watch me install this and get cute. Alright, so let me just take it off the wig head. I haven't even tried it on, so let's hope it fits me. Of course it pushed my thing back. I think it fits okay. I think so. Okay, I'm just looking into the mirror to set it up and everything. And I'm gonna go in with some Nairobi mousse, and I'm just gonna push it back out of my way. Ignore my brush, it's really dirty. I did add makeup to the lace. It may not look like it, but I did. I'm just gonna clip this out of the way so I can get to work. And it's gonna be glueless because you guys know I don't do this glue thing. I'm not with it. I'm not with it yet. So I'm gonna use my Got To Be spray, and I'm just gonna go place it on the hairline basically. Hold on. These tabs, I need to remove these tabs because this is not the wave. It's not the wave. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut them off. Now I'm just gonna go. Then I'm gonna go ahead and use my blow dryer, and I'm just gonna blow it on heat and then just have it dry down, and then I can get into do my baby hair. Alright, so now that this is dry, I am gonna go ahead and cut the lace off. So I'm just gonna cut a slit. I'm not gonna cut too much off. I think that's enough. Yeah, so I'm just gonna cut it in. Cut slits so I can go ahead and then cut it zigzag, so it's able to look natural, like it's not actually lace, you know? So that's what I'm gonna go ahead and do. So now that I cut the lace out, I'm just gonna use my finger and add some more Got To Be spray to the little edges that lift off. Oh, it's gonna ruin my makeup. Yep, so I'm just gonna tie this down. I'm just gonna tie this down, and then once it's, I'm gonna tie it down. I'm just focusing and trying to, oh, I don't know if you guys were seeing me. I was just focusing and trying to make sure the edges stay down. Alright. So I'll be right back. I'm gonna go ahead and grab the elastic band. So now that I have got the elastic band, I'm gonna go ahead and comb out baby hairs. So it's like a thing where you just put it then you just tie it. You just tie it like this. So my camera died, guys, in the middle of me adding makeup to my part. So I went ahead and removed the elastic band. Now I'm gonna do my edges. So I'm gonna use the Style Factor Edge Booster, same one from my ponytail video. If you haven't seen my ponytail video, check the link in the description. I'll link it down below. So now I'm just gonna do my edges. So I can know where to cut it again. You see me? Don't mind me, guys, I'm a little intoxicated. Do this one. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave that. I don't want to cut it. moving. I don't know what else I'm doing.